Okay, let's talk about the Culling tab. This tab is removing hair from the render in a specific situation. Before using that, we are using a camera. Okay, we are going in the camera and we are looking the hair, something like this. And then going to the hair, and in viewport, we are making the hairline to see the hair. We want to fade the hairs. Going to the hair, and you can increase the number of the hair if you want. Okay, if you get out of the camera, this is on the camera. If you go to the hair and the culling tab, back face culling, it means based on, if you activate that, based on the angle start and angle the end, it's removing the hair from the render. This tab is for optimizing your render. Okay, to better see that, let's play with lowest angle. You can see it, not that, but if you decrease the number of the angle, you can see this deleting, removing the, or calling the hair from that angle. Nice, you can see. You can better see in this angle. Just it shows this based on start and the end angle. Off-screen culling means if, for example, you are in a camera and your camera is in this situation, it will be delete. It does not show the and render the camera in this off-screen culling. Nice. And for example, other hair that are not in scene, they are not calculating a render. That's useful. And you can see it's off-screen percentage. You can, which percentage of the half of the hair or 100% of the hair. And off-screen and with a fall off. Distance clipping, if you activate it, it's deleting the hair or calling the hair based on near and far clip. If you give a higher number in centimeter in the base and the far clip, you can clip. It just show the hair. It does just show the hair in between these two range. Okay, just show. You have to play to find out your distance from the camera, and you have to know the distance. And near fade, and it's very little bit hard to recognize that exactly which centimeter. You have to determine. It's calling the near clip. Imagine you have a clip here and the plane here. Just it's render hair in between this clip. Near clips, a clip that are near to the camera, and the far clip, and this fading between them. Just the culling. If you want to use, you can use this tab. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.